Ramkumar Krishnamachari, CFO of Just Dial, joins us now to talk about business prospect and outlook for the sector. Ram, good morning and thank you for joining us. Just Dial clearly seems to be the envy of the town. Everyone in the town is excited about owning a piece of that business. So first, characterize the business environment for us.
Yeah, it's extremely positive and looking very good. As you know, the macro environment has improved substantially, even though it's very early days. But as a business, we continue to do well. The signs and trends that we are seeing overall for our business and the way the ecosystem is playing out, things are looking great for us, and we are extremely excited about it. Especially the fact that the overall, the internet environment, the way handset prices are falling and the data plans are coming down. Many Indians are going to get onto the internet and do many things, and these are things which are great for our business perspective. So we are quite excited about it.
Ram, hi, morning. Going by the start you've had in the first quarter, and now with just 10 days left for this quarter to conclude, how much better have been the additions to business listings and paid campaigns, and also any price revisions have you taken or could be on the anvil?
As far as the overall listing is concerned, we mentioned that Q1 was an exceptional quarter from our perspective as far as the overall listing is concerned. It was an extraordinary initiative that we did to ramp up the overall listing. So this quarter will be a business as usual quarter as far as listing is concerned. On the paid listings, things are trends are very good. Things are looking very healthy. While I'm not being able to reveal the exact number, you'll have to wait for the quarter to come to an end. But all I can say is things are looking very healthy, and things are looking good on that side. As far as the pricing is concerned, this is another business as usual quarter. We have not done any pricing any special pricing strategy as such. So this is a business as usual quarter.
So if one were to read between the lines, are you going to better the first quarter performance, or are you going to maintain what you delivered in the first quarter?
Well, we always maintain that we will have a growth of anywhere between 25 to 30%, and trends and signs are looking very good.
What about margin? Your margins have been slightly volatile. If I look at Q3 versus Q4 and Q4 versus Q1, you clarified that there is cyclicality in your business, but what could be the big margin signpost for Just Dial?
Look, we always maintained that margins are management discretion, and we continue to believe that the operating leverage inherent in the business model as we scale up our business will get reflected in the margin expansion. However, having said that, in the first quarter we did some sort of extraordinary spend on advertising and content content enhancement. So this quarter is going to be another business as usual quarter with nothing extraordinary coming in the way here. But our priority right now is focus on growth, invest in the right areas in technology and sales force enhancement. So I would say that the margin trajectory looks quite good. Probably we maintain that we'll have a stable margin, or we'll see some slight margin expansion than last year, but again with the caveat that the focus will be to plow back the margin expansion into the technology and sales force expansion, and obviously the Search Plus business which we are actively focusing on right now.
Going to come to that. 20 Search Plus services are already live on your website now, Ram. Any new categories or increased businesses which are going to be added anytime soon, and will you be able to get all of them up and running on the mobile platform over the next 1.5 months?
So There will be a couple of services which will go live in the next 1 or 2 months on the travel sort of vertical. You will see hotel bookings on the mobile platform. We are live on the internet platform already. Also the ticketing side, you will see things going live on the mobile platform. So we have 20 services which are already live. When I say live, it is soft launch. We haven't communicated to the users yet. We are waiting for some of these products to be live on the mobile platform as well.
Was just talking about as to how he sees the Q2 performance also to be on the same lines as what they delivered in the first quarter, and perhaps it's going to be a margin beat. At least that's what we could understand from the management. Just Dial holding up by 1728. Good breakouts when it comes to a couple of stocks there.
Let's really understand about your global business, because for the moment if I look at your India business is doing okay, but globally there's a cash loss.
So the strategy for the global stroke, when I say global, primarily we focusing on the emerging markets and few developed markets. So the strategy there is to make sure that the mobile stroke internet product is launched there and let the users use it. We believe that in many of the emerging markets it's a completely virgin stroke pristine territory. There is no Just Dial as such in any of these markets. So we believe there is the user value proposition in this market is going to be immense. Hence our objective primarily is to launch these services in this market, look at the user adoption, and then decide on monetization at appropriate time. So we are not going to be investing a whole lot of money in this in the near future. We are going to test waters. We are going to look at many of these markets and then decide at appropriate time and to start monetization.
Ram, you're also expanding into overseas markets through application and web-only approach rather than, voice-based, as is the case with India. Apart from the current US and Canada operations, update us on your foray timeline into UK, UAE, Singapore and the Malaysian markets.
Correct. So that's the idea. So in the UK, the strategy in the developed market will be slightly different than the strategy in the emerging market. As you know, in the developed market, you already have many vertical. So probably our product will sit on top of it, and on a single platform, the user will be able to do many of those different things rather than getting into many verticals and doing many things. So that would be the strategy in the developed market. As far as emerging markets are concerned, as I mentioned earlier, there's no Just Dial. I mean, there's no horizontal play there as far as local search is concerned. So we believe there is a tremendous potential for a platform like ours, local search platform, horizontal player there, along with which provides both search and transaction. So we believe that the potential opportunity is immense, but the focus is primarily on India. Focus on expanding, scaling up the Search Plus, start monetizing it. The global market is testing waters, make sure that the service is launched, let the user continue, and then at appropriate time look at monetization, and that's when we believe the investment required will be material.
Ram, so good chatting with you. Thanks much for taking time out and speaking with us today. Just Dial.